Hi, if you are having trouble installing the MySQL client in your Python, then this video is going to help you. So, few days back I tried to install this MySQL client into my system for my Python, but I was not able to install it, and it was showing some errors. It was asking me to download the Visual Studio and so many other things. So I researched in Google and if I found the solution. So in this video I will be showing you how to do that. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already installed in my system, but I will show you all the steps that required to install the MySQL client package so that you can connect your Python to MySQL database. Maybe you are trying to connect your Django app to the MySQL database or so on. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, instead of installing the MySQL client from the pip using the internet, we are going to do it offline. Okay, so what I mean is that we are going to download the MySQL client package from this website. So I will link this in description. So here you can see there is MySQL client package WHL file available. So for the 64-bit system, you can download the 64-bit version or 32-bit version as your system. Okay, so as you can see here, as I type the Python, it shows that I am using 3.7.1 version, so I need to download CP37 version. And if you are using older version, then you can select from here. You can click on this title and you can download the MySQL client. Okay, so I have already downloaded this and I have saved in my system. So I'm going to open the directory where I have saved that file. As you can see here, I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to open the command prompt here, and now I'm going to install this offline package using pip as usual. That how we can. Okay, so just like how we install the package using pip install, type mysql and hit tab. It will auto complete the names of the file, and now you can hit enter and it will install it into your system. So as you can see here, it says that the requirement is satisfied. That means that I have already installed it. Okay, so that's how you install the MySQL client. Now I hope that now you can connect your application to the MySQL database. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want me to create a video on how to connect Django app to the DBMS or MySQL DBMS, then let me know in the comment and subscribe to my channel.